Elgin Community College where they're going to help you
make it Illinois.
Say cheese.
So today we're converging the ECC mission of changing people's lives through learning with Mr. Crowe's mission to put our best innovators, creators, and thinkers in spaces where they can thrive and grow. And to Mr. Crowe.
Thank you. The employers and industry is like, hey, we've got all these amazing jobs and they come with all these amazing benefits, but we don't know how to get the people here, or they're not trained up enough, or they're not skilled and they don't know where they're gonna go next. But we got the solution, and the solution is the ecosystem. So I ask you to grab something, you go grab it. And I hope it's the right thing the first time, right? And we're gonna do that for a while, and then when you get your opportunity, you better take it. Because if you learn this skill, your kids will never go hungry. And if you remember, I only got into this position because I had a child while I was a child and I did not know what to do. So that was music to my ears. There's plenty of opportunity. There's no ceiling unless you put it over your own self. And that's something that we can sell to this next generation because it's something that they definitely need. All type of people here, future students, parents, educators. There's gonna be people here today that are gonna be changing their lives. We're gonna help them make it in Illinois. So I just want to say this energy is crazy, and a lot of people, we were talking about it at the Employers Symposium, a lot of people don't know that our field exists, but I just want to let y'all know that this is how you be seen. So I want to shout out the stars of the show. That's all the students that are in here that made the projects and made all of the different things. Let's give them the same love that they've been giving their instructors. These lives are going to be changed because of the work that you all put in and the dedication that y'all have. And from me to y'all, I really appreciate that as well. So thank you for your dedication to these people and to our industry. And then finally, to everybody that's here that's not a student, not an educator, maybe you're a family member or a friend, or maybe you just wandered in here. Thank you all, because that first step is the step that's gonna keep this thing going, right? This is the heavyweight global division of the world. And right now, America, we're not punching like we used to, right? But this is how we get back in the gym. This is how we get back in shape.
So Drew, we want to give you this as our appreciation.
Oh my goodness. Oh man.
There we go.
So you have your very own Elgin Community College Charcuterie Board.
Okay.
That's part of the Make It in Illinois campaign on behalf of the HVAC department.
Let's go, y'all.